Hey everyone, this video is going to show you how to install the Flutter SDK on your macOS device. So the first thing you want to do is go to the Flutter website and navigate to the macOS install page. Here, you want to scroll down and click on the download link to download the zip. I've already downloaded it, and when it does download, it'll either be in a zip file or already unzipped. So if it isn't a zip file, just unzip it, and I placed my Flutter folder over here in the documents. It doesn't matter where you place it, you can place it wherever, but I find it just easier to put it in the documents. Alright, the first thing we want to do is go to our Finder and navigate to our user drive here. And what we want to do is figure out if we have the .bash profile file, which contains all of our environmental variables. Now, to see that, it's actually a hidden file, so what we need to do is hold down Shift, Command, and full stop. And this should then show all of the hidden folders and files. As you can see, we don't have a .bash underscore profile file, so we'll need to create it. Alright, so we want to open up the terminal and we want to navigate to our home directory. To do that, we can just type cd space tilde and then a /. This will change the directory to our home drive, and we can now start to create our bash profile. So to do that, we can type touch and then .bash underscore profile, and this will create the profile inside of our home drive as seen here. Now if that's done, we need to add our environmental variable for the Flutter SDK. To add these variables to the bash profile, we need to type nano space tilde / .bash underscore profile. Press enter, and then it should open up in this kind of text editor here. And what we want to type in is path equals tilde / documents / flutter / bin, and then we want to do a $path. Now to save and exit, we can just go Control X and then press enter, and now we should have our environmental variable added to the bash profile and we're ready to go. All that's left to do is first of all actually run the bash profile so that the changes are saved. So for that we can go source and then just enter in the directory for the bash profile. Press enter and this will just run it in behind the scenes and pretty much just assign those environmental variables for us to use. As you can see, if we open up our bash profile, we now have our path added to it. Now to get Flutter working, we just need to go back to the terminal and type in flutter space doctor, and this will just launch the setup for the Flutter SDK. We have a welcome to Flutter message here, and now the doctor summary, which is basically all of the stuff we have installed and don't have installed, will be displayed to us now. So as you can see, we have this list of different items here. We have the Flutter, which is what we just installed, and that has a tick next to it. And the only other thing we need is the Android toolchain, which if you're not already an Android developer, you won't have, but this will be explained in a future lesson. All we need to make sure is that we have Flutter installed, which at the moment here it is. So just make sure you have Flutter ticked and you should be good to go for the next lesson.